Hi guys, today we will be talking about the cell cycle and what could go wrong with it. Cell cycle is a cycle that a cell go through for cell division. So as you can see in the diagram, the cell spends most of its time in interphase. There's 3 phases within interphase, G1, S, and G2. G1 is just cell growth, S phase, the DNA replicates, which I will explain further in another video, and in G2 is when the other organelles duplicate in preparation for mitosis. There's also several phases during the M phase, which is the division phase. But in order to make sure that a cell divides properly, there are several checkpoints in the cell cycle to make sure the cell is ready for the next phase. There are 3 checkpoints in the cell cycle, which are at the end of G1, at the end of G2, and at the end of M phase. The checkpoint at the end of G1 is to make sure that there's no errors or mutations in the DNA, and growth factors such as PDGF as well as cyclin-dependent kinases usually triggers green light for this checkpoint. Some cells that don't pass this checkpoint, or there are just simply enough cells, would go into the G0 phase, which they will temporarily stop until something triggers the checkpoint. The checkpoint before M phase is usually triggered by maturation, M phase promoting factor, which is a regulatory protein so the cell can go into mitosis. Cancer is the loss of control of cell division. Cancerous cells divide even if their DNA is damaged or there are too many cells.